Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing a sleek ponytail using weave on hair. I do have a sleek braided ponytail video that I'm going to link above here, but this particular method is slightly different. This is going to be a first for me for this particular technique, but it should be fun. Guys, I am going to be using my Nadula hair. There is a backstory as to why it's not in the packet. It is brand new hair, I promise you. I haven't even worn this hair outside. I'll tell you exactly what hair it is. I bought 3 bundles of Indian virgin natural wavy hair from Nadula. Obviously I don't plan on putting 3 bundles for a ponytail. That's crazy and way too much weight, because as you can see I am relaxed and I don't have much hair, so I don't want to be like weighing down my natural hair and causing breakage. I'm going to use 1 bundle because I feel like 1 bundle is going to be more than enough. I have washed and dyed this hair jet black. I know it probably looks a bit crazy at the moment. It is actually really beautiful. But yeah, I did have like a sew-in, and honestly I didn't even keep the sew-in in for 48 hours. It didn't last, honey, because my scalp was just like no, so I took it out. But I don't want to waste the hair and I want to use the hair as a ponytail, so that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. So yeah, if you haven't already, subscribe for the ride, turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I drop another video, and let's get into this one.
After a long night and see the sky take shape.
I'm using the Weightless Daily Oil Moisturizer by Motions. This has shea butter, argan oil and coconut oil. If you have seen my previous braided ponytail video, you'll know that I don't particularly like to use gel.
I wanna see the stars burn after I had my turn. Ooh, ooh, you're working so hard. You played your card, so what's the payoff? And ooh, big talk is cheap. You gotta go deeper than deep to get me up. You're picking up my call. I'm into your wish and know that I'm in control. I'm in control. Don't you know I want it all? Put your hands against the wall. I'm in control. I'm in control. See them at first light after a long night and see the sky take shape. But I wanna see the stars burn after I had my turn. Ooh, ooh, you're working so hard. You played your card, so what's the payoff? And ooh, big talk is cheap. You gotta go deeper than deep. Get me off.
So I'm going to take the last piece. Now that I've gotten to the end of it, I was pulling quite tight. I was pulling the wefts quite tight. I'm going to take a bobby pin and secure it right now. And I'm holding on to this bit because this is the piece that I'm going to use to wrap around the ponytail.
I'm in control.
Some of the ladies prefer to spray the bit that they've used to wrap the ponytail. I prefer not to use anything that will aggravate my scalp. That's just a personal preference. This is black castor oil. This is extra dark castor oil. And then also I am loving Motion's weightless daily moisturizer, and as I've just recently relaxed my hair, I really don't feel like there's any need for me to put any gel, so I won't be putting any gel.
First light after a long night, and see the sky take shape, but I wanna see the stars burn after I had my turn. Ooh, ooh, you're working so hard, you played your card, so what's the payoff? And ooh, ooh, big talk is cheap, you gotta go deeper than deep to get me up.
So this is the end result. I'm actually liking the curl pattern more when it's dry than when it's wet. I don't feel like I've got a lot of pressure on my hair, which is something that I can often feel when I've got the braided ponytail in. For me, this was quick, easy, simple. If you guys haven't already tried this method, definitely go ahead and try it. Again, I got this hair from Nadula. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It really wasn't supposed to be a tutorial. I guess for me, I was trying to see just how easy the technique was, and I love it. It's going to be my go-to from now on while I keep my hair, you know, in its natural-ish form. And yeah, and that's going to be it for this video, guys. If you haven't already, subscribe for the ride, turn on your post notifications so that you'll know when I drop another video. Like this video, and I'll see you in another one. Bye.